Alright, Rob Frazier here. So, this video is Perpetual Traffic Plan Day 6, and I'm trying to sort of keep it down because the kiddo's in the other room, gainfully employed, and as soon as I start talking, he likes to come out here and see what I'm doing. So, Day 6, Perpetual Traffic Plan, and today is sort of a recap. The whole goal of this is to start to get perpetual traffic while at the same time using our affiliate programs that we have joined to create content to learn from, and that is what's going to get us more people looking at our stuff. That's basically it. At the end of the day, the whole idea is to get people to see our stuff. And what I've covered in the past 5 days of this series is how I'm using the programs that I am in conjunction with my process. My process I laid out in an earlier video, the 4-step process: learn something new every day, apply it. If you do not get results, you go back and learn something new, apply it. If you get results, you document and share it. And it's just simply a matter of doing that. And if you're not bringing in enough money on a daily basis, it's simply a matter of adjusting what you're doing. It's like you're trying to figure out a Rubik's Cube, trying to figure out your own formula for daily success. And that's simply what this is. In my case, I have a balanced approach, to which I do the 3 C's: clicks, connections, and content. Clicks, I haven't really covered in any one of these videos, but that is just simply buying traffic, solo ads, from Traffic for Me, from MLM leads, from Udemy solo ads. And that traffic I send to this series right here, basically. This is my series pulled up in Aweber of my perpetual traffic plan. And the thing is, this takes continuous learning. There is no copy and paste way to get success. You have to always learn something new every single day, apply it to what it is you're doing, and it's a constant tweaking process. There is the person who says they know it all and they're a master of marketing. That's the person you want to stay away from, because they cannot learn anything else. There's always something out there to learn. There's always people out there making more money. There's always affiliates who are just completely dominating. There's affiliates out there with billion-dollar companies. So it's just a matter of understanding that and knowing that it's just going to be a continuous learning process. And the more you learn, the more you will eventually start earning down the road. And you can't be copy and paste. And what I mean by that is, this video and the last video, Perpetual Traffic Plan Day 7, I'm going to show more of my personal examples. So when somebody joins a program and they get the copy and paste autoresponder, and they take that autoresponder and then they wonder why they're not making sales, wonder why their leads are not buying, is because you're not standing out in their inbox. And this video is going to make sense near the end. The whole point is to get traffic. Now, once you have a percentage of people, once you have enough traffic to your websites that are opting in, you have to convert that traffic so you can start to grow this whole organization you have. And you do that by applying the things you're going to learn in my next resource I'm going to mention right now. The Traffic Secrets book, written by Russell Brunson. I highly recommend grabbing it. It's a free plus shipping offer. However, let me say this. I do personally recommend getting the book. It's free plus shipping. The shipping is $9.95. I recommend getting the book, and if you can, the box set. The box set has trafficsecrets.com secrets, expert secrets, and it has another sort of a workbook so you can go through and design your own system. This video, I read these books over and over and over again. This is my process that I'm following right now today. Every single day I read these books. Every single day I learn something that I can do to adjust what I'm doing online. I can tell my story better. I can communicate better. I can use better page builders. It's a continuous process. And you don't have to be perfect right now. You learn something, you apply it, you document, you say, hey, in the beginning, I was floundering around, I wasn't getting any signups, but then I applied this one thing I learned from this one resource right here, and I started getting results. Here's my personal example. In the beginning of this course, I talked about Lead Lightning Power Lead System. In the beginning, I was just sending people. I would buy traffic on the internet, and I would send those people to the company replicated capture page, and they would go into my company replicated autoresponder. The problem there is those folks who would come in through my systems would never really be introduced to me. They wouldn't know who I am, but I'm hoping that they would buy Lead Lightning from me, if that makes sense. What I have learned from these books right here, .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, is that you have to differentiate yourself, and there's a number of different ways you can differentiate yourself in the marketplace. Expert Secrets really takes that and breaks that down, and from Expert Secrets I learned how to craft my own autoresponder message that's unique to me, that nobody else can duplicate, that tells my story in a way that highlights the programs I'm in, if that makes sense. That's just one thing I've learned. The second thing I've learned is this whole page right here. This right here is a ClickFunnels page, which is basically, these books are a part of the ClickFunnels product suite. But this page right here that I'm promoting Power Lead System, it's a bonus page. And I've learned how to do this through the Affiliate Bootcamp and through ExpertSecrets.com Secrets from these same books that I'm recommending here. And doing this has increased my conversions, because what happens is people come here, they see a video, they see me talking first. This right here is called a bridge funnel. You'll learn that through Expert Secrets. And so what I do is, instead of sending people to the company replicated stuff, I create a little bridge video, and then when people scroll down, they can get different things that I can offer of value to increase my conversions. And so what I do is, when people join me in this opportunity, we get a Zoom, Skype strategy call. We got the done for you sales funnels. You got the bonus member area. You got my personal Facebook group. And there's another training that I have to how to generate 50 plus leads per day. So that right there just goes hand in hand with what I'm learning, what I'm applying. And if I stop getting results here, well, then I'll say, okay, there's something I can do on this page. I'll offer another bonus. I'll set up somebody's sales funnel. I'll have a weekly call just for that person. It's something that I can do to add more value to my offer, so people would join me instead of all the other reps promoting the same exact program. And so these are specific, clear-cut examples of how I'm taking the training that I've learned in these three books, Expert Secrets, .com Secrets, and Traffic Secrets, to increase my conversions. Now, what I learned from Traffic Secrets, the book, the things I learned from Traffic Secrets, I'm applying in my case. You don't have to do everything I do, but this is just what I do. I do YouTube, I do podcasting, and I do blogging. You don't have to do everything, and of course I do social media, but this is just what I do. And so I take the different things I learned through the Traffic Secrets and I apply it. And every single day I'm learning something new, whether I learn something new about podcasting, learning something new about optimizing my video, or learning something new about blogging. The whole point is to get into this flow and to start what Russell Brunson calls publishing. And so this right here gives me more traffic that I earn, and the more traffic that I earn a percentage of that will always turn into traffic that I own. Basically, people who come to my blog, come to my podcast, come to my YouTube videos, and opt in and get on my email list. So it's just this constant process. And a lot of people think, well, you're just recommending new products. No, it's a very specific and calculated method to have content, to learn, to apply, to document and share. And as I get results, I just keep telling my story, and that puts more content out there. The more content I have, the more traffic that I earn, and the more traffic that I earn, the more traffic that I own. The more traffic that I own, the more money I make. And it's just that simple, same process, and I just duplicate it over and over and over again. So right now, wrapping this video up, day 7, I'm going to show a couple more of my examples of how I'm taking what I've learned through these books and how I'm promoting different systems, and how you can use it to promote anything else you want. Like if I join a new opportunity, it's just simple. I take the framework, the bridge funnel, the page right here, the offer page, the email autoresponders. I just take that whole process and I just duplicate it, and I center it around a new opportunity. And I can do this with as many opportunities as I want, because I'm an affiliate marketer. I'm not a network marketer. I'm not just tied to any one deal. So that being said, I really hope you're sticking with me through this. There's one more video to which I'm going to just bring this whole thing home, and I'll show you a very simple way to, if you join a new opportunity, how you can just plug in, how you can start creating content around that opportunity, and put this whole framework in place. In the last video, I talked about how do I promote an affiliate offer, and I said step 1, I blog about it. Step 2, I create a mini sales funnel. This is where I learned how to create those mini sales funnels, because if I'm getting traffic and I'm not converting a percentage of it, I'm wasting my time. So it's a twofold process here. So that being said, wrapping this up, underneath this video, I'm going to just include a link to the books right here, and also to my main sales funnel if you're just coming across this and you're just going to go through this whole perpetual traffic plan again. So believe you me, I do listen to these same videos over and over and over again to get it set in my head as well, because this is the same process that I follow, and this is all I do, and this is, I just keep on going. And in fact, my future videos on YouTube, I'm gonna just start just sharing 4 or 5 stats probably. My first stat's going to be my YouTube channel, my second stat's going to be my podcast, my third stat's going to be my blog, and my fourth stat's going to be the hits to my capture page. And then in my private Facebook groups for the people who join me, that's when I'll share the percentage of opt-ins and, you know, income and different opportunities and things like that. So that being said, wrapping this video up, links are below. Name's Rob Frazier. See you in the next video.